Okay, go.
Okay, now we're going to show you how to measure patio doors. You're going to need 3 different numbers to give your member of your inside sales team so we can give you that accurate price quote on your patio door. The first thing you're going to need to make a note of is how many panels your door has. Patio doors come in multiple different panel configurations. This is your standard patio door. It has 2 panels. This one is fixed, it doesn't move, and this panel is the one that slides. So this is a 2-panel patio door, so you write down 2. The next thing you're going to need to do is take the measurements, the width and the height of the patio door. Now to do that, you take the width and the height of the panel of the patio door that moves. This is the one that slides. Some of them will hinge in and out. So to get the measurements of your door, you take the width of the panel that moves first. So you measure straight across. So you measure to the nearest inch, which here is 36. So your width of your patio door is 36. And then to get your height, what you do is you measure from the bottom to the top. So what you do is you measure from the base of the door and then to the top to the nearest inch, which here is 76 inches. So you have your width, which is 36, your height, which is 76, and then your number of panels, which is 2. Give all that information to the member of your inside sales team during your phone call, and you'll get an accurate to the penny price quote on that patio door that's guaranteed for a year.